Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to zip and unzip files on Linux. So first of all you have to go into terminal, so we'll go into show apps and press on terminal. And right here, first of all you need to make sure that you have installed your zip and unzip tool on your system. It should be installed by default, but you can check. We can check that by typing in zip ---- version. As you can see, my zip is installed. This is zip 3.0, and again we can type in unzip ---- version, and again my unzip is also installed. Unzip 6.0 is my version. And if you don't have it, you have to install it. You can install it very easy on Ubuntu or on Debian. You can use the command like this: sudo apt install as usual and zip or unzip, and it should work. I will not do it because my tools are installed and it is working for me. So we can start. How to zip files? It's really easy because first of all, I prepared files. We have two files, file.txt and file2.txt, and right now I will zip them. How to do it? We have to use command zip, and right now we have to name the archive that we will store, the archive that our files will be stored in. So I will name it right like this, maybe files.zip, and now you have to basically type in the names of files that you want to zip. So I want to zip the file2.txt and file.txt, and I can press enter. As you can see, adding file2, adding file.txt, and right now I can leave that. As you can see, we have files.zip archive, so it worked. And right now, how can we show basically what's inside this zip archive? We can use the unzip command, but we have to add option -l, because without this option it basically unzips our file. I will show you in a moment how to do it, but right now we want to only display what's inside. So unzip -l, and of course the name of our archive, so like this. And as you can see, we have the file2.txt and the file.txt. We have two files inside. And right now, how to unzip this archive? It's really easy because we have to type in unzip without any option, file.zip, and press enter. As you can see, right there we have a name conflict because we have a file2.txt and the file.txt. When we want to unzip it, basically there will be doubled. So maybe I will press no and no. You can rename that, you can basically replace. That doesn't really matter. You can choose whatever you want. But as you can see, our files are right there. And right now, how to, for example, zip folders. I will show you that right now, because in order to zip folders, maybe we'll create a folder. So I will create a folder, and maybe I will move these files into this folder. So I will do something like this, and like this, yes, like this, file2.txt, and I want to move it into the folder that I created before, so like this. As you can see, our files are no longer there. I will show you, maybe right now we can easily unzip it because there are no longer these files. So I can do it like in this, and as you can see, I have again my files right there, and my folder.zip is my files.zip is again right there, and my folder is also here. And inside my folder, I have two files, the file2 and the file.txt. And how to zip folder? Because we can't use pretty much zip with the zip without any option, we have to add -r. That means recursive, and recursive basically means that we want to include all files and subdirectories that are inside this folder. So -r, and right now the name of our archive, so maybe folder or folder with files.zip, and the folder name, so folder. And basically that's really easy. We can press enter, adding folder /file, and adding folder /file.txt. And again, we can pretty much show what's inside. So unzip, and again we use the command -l again before, so we will use it again, and the folder.zip, folder with files.zip, of course, with files.zip. And as you can see, we have folder and 2 files inside. So that's really easy. As I said before, we can, of course, maybe we will right now remove this folder, so rm -r folder. So as you can see, my folder is no longer there. Right now I will unzip this folder. Unzip. It will have a different name, and right here it will not have a different name because we started, of course, we start folder inside the active. I made a mistake, but it is working. As you can see, I removed this folder and our folder is again here. We can move to this folder, leave that, and both of our files are still right there. So that's basically all in this video. This is how you can zip and unzip files on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.